Hey Glam fam, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Today we are working on that mid section. You guys, I have been drinking this drink for a little bit over 2 weeks now in order to improve my midsection, and it works like a dream. If you are looking to lose some extra inches off of your waist, make sure that you drink this each and every single day. Are y'all ready to learn how to make it? Okay, well let's head to my kitchen and let's get started. So you guys, today I will be using my mug, so make sure that you do have a mug because I am going to heat this water up, and I will be adding in almost 8 ounces of water, not completely, but I will be almost filling this mug up, you guys. And now I'm going to place this in the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can apply your water in here already heated up, or you can do it after the fact, which is what I typically always do. Next, I'm moving along, and in this mixture I will be using apple cider vinegar and raw and organic unfiltered honey. Make sure that you check out the description box in order to get these two, and this is my water after it is freshly heated up. Now I'm going to start off by adding in apple cider vinegar. Make sure that you add in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Some days I only do 1 teaspoon, which was what I did in this video, but for the best results, make sure that you use 1 tablespoon. I know that apple cider vinegar is not the best tasting thing, but the honey should help to kind of conceal it for you a little bit. I know that it does for me, but in today's video, I just decided not to add in 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm moving along and I'm going to add in that organic honey. Now I will leave the honey that I'm using listed down below. I really didn't do any exact measurements with the honey. I typically don't. I just kind of eyeball it and see how much I'd like to put in there, okay? So honey is also going to be very beneficial, which make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I'm going to be sharing with you all what all the items used in this mixture do for the body. Now, if you are looking for something to lose weight fast, you can simply add apple cider vinegar into 8 ounces of water, about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and this will help you to burn off pounds fast. But apple cider vinegar is disgusting to me, you guys, and it also smells pretty bad. So if you're sensitive to scents, you might not like apple cider vinegar very much. Also, this is something that you want to drink every morning before you eat anything. So you want to make sure that you drink all of this before you put anything else into your body, and this will help to speed up your metabolism and help with weight loss. Now let's talk about the benefits of all the ingredients used in this mixture. First up, we have water. Now, if you all do not know, water can be very beneficial for helping with weight loss and belly fat. Drinking a glass or 2 of warm water in the morning can help you in losing weight and belly fat. It will help in also cleansing out your system. So water is absolutely amazing for burning extra inches off of the waist. And if it is water weight, this might sound like it's contradicting, but it's actually not. Drink more water in the morning. It is going to help with giving you more energy. It is going to help to remove that extra waste from the body, and it is also going to help with increasing calorie burning. The next thing that I added in was apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another one of those things where if you take it first thing in the morning before you put anything else on your stomach, it can help to burn belly fat. It just so happens to be a low-calorie item that you can add to beverages that will help with weight loss. You guys, it is absolutely amazing what apple cider vinegar can do for your body. Now you can also take apple cider vinegar alone, but apple cider vinegar is so strong that it can also burn the back of your throat. I have experienced it firsthand. I have taken apple cider vinegar. So you guys, it works great for a lot of things as long as you can bear with the smell and also the taste, okay? And if you have a cold, apple cider vinegar is also great for that because it's going to help to burn that cold right on out. I know from experience, trust me. I added honey in in for the extra flavor, but honey also comes with its own benefits. Some of the micronutrients in honey are calcium, iron, and it also has antioxidants. You guys, you are gaining benefits from honey as well, and it's also going to help to mask the taste of that apple cider vinegar, which you guys, we're not going to even talk about that in this clip. So you guys, that is all of the information that I wanted to share with you guys on today. If you all will be testing this out, let me know down below in the comment section, and make sure that you check out the description box in order to purchase your very own apple cider vinegar, as well as for the organic honey that I used in this video. We want our bodies to be right and tight, and this is one of the ways in order to improve your body. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and also share this video on all of your social media platform. Always remember to keep glamming.